Ooh, we got something on the line. Back at it again with the fishing at the pond.
See
And
that?
that's a nice blue cat.
That's a baby blue cat.
It's fighting hard though. Although it did probably just scare away all the other fish.
He got my bacon in his mouth.
That probably just scared away all the other fish.
You're gonna break our rod.
That's a nice fish.
Okay, size.
What do you mean?
Hey, it's eatable.
What's your name? He said, my name's
Frederick.
Blue. They call me Lil Blue.
He's fat.
Oh.
Do you need some pliers?
Maybe. I don't know. Thanks for coming and play the catch it at your own catfish game.
Yes.
Don't bite my finger, okay? I need my finger to work. I gotta build more houses. I gotta fix ponds. Yeah, and fish right there underneath them food.
I think that fish might have scared away all the other ones out here.
Yeah, you wanna kiss the fish?
No,
Why not? He's cute.
because of his whiskers.
No, he's cute.
Yeah, that's
Oh my gosh.
You like that? I can't get the hook out.
You need some pliers?
I have some right here, there.
Oh, okay.
There's a big pair right there somewhere.
The blue ones?
Yeah, where is it? Thank you, man. There you go. This camera, ladies, is very helpful as well.
Alright, are we keeping that fish or are we throwing it back?
We throw it back. It's not big enough.
What do you mean? I'm fishing this pond
Why are you
is
so
very
close,
big.
man? You gotta take the full body of the fish.
Yeah.
Fine. Just see how this guy's doing. He's
We'll be
fat.
back in a minute, I can't get this thing out.
Kind of fat.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
hooking good, I'm not.
You did good.
Hmm.
I gotta change.
I taught him everything I know.
Taught your dad everything you know? Okay.
Yes, I taught my dad everything that I know. That's exactly what I meant to say.
He's definitely getting that size to where we can eat them, but
You know what?
Man.
Hey, Liam.
you look yourself good, young man.
The crazy part about this is that's actually small compared to some of the catfish we have in this
Oh, yeah.
pond.
I know it's very small.
Not very small, but it is small compared to some of those.
This one's too small. In this pond, you got some monsters.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Jared, right? Alright.
Here y'all. There you
Woo!
go. The catfish. It's about maybe
Blue cat.
a couple of years old.
I'd say maybe like a foot long.
A foot long Subway sandwich.
Yes.
Oh my god.
$5 foot long.
Going back.
Be free fish.
He went home.
Alright. That was a fish battle and a battle getting the hook out.